Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from zenpop.jp. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo. Oh, it's an Aburasoba, but it's like spicy, 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 spicy. 5x spicy. Aburasoba. So it's a thicker noodle. That's definitely the highlight of it. I read a bit about it and it's like, okay, it's level 5 spicy, but it's like, so what exactly does that mean? And I kind of had trouble figuring out whether that meant it was going to be super hot or not. It doesn't really sound like it from what I read of it. I gotta admit, I really like the Zen Pop boxes, but a lot of the time their translations really leave a lot to be desired. Not because they're like horrible or anything, but because sometimes they're just hard to figure out. How long does this go in for? Uh-oh. Where's that big number on there? Yeah, 5 minutes. Oh no. That's not a 5. Yeah, 5 minutes, 770 milliliters. So you get in there, you sit down. I should have saved the tray for this one. I could have just done it in that. Oh, it's doing fine. Once it gets this initial liquid suck up going, things get better pretty quick. So yeah, how's the future? When is it? It's February for you guys? I don't know if I'm supposed to put this in there too. This is the liquid. There's one way to find out. There's more than one way to hamster. I got that going good. I'm going with yeah. I hope I did that right. There's a lot of bits. Well, we'll find out. That doesn't taste like something that would be enjoyable without it being hydrated. Was spicy though. 5x spicy? Meh. So it's not even, it's only like 8:26 and this is the last one of the day. So that's, I'm on time. I'm hitting it. I'm hitting all the right notes. Things are going well. So they're doing tons of construction in front of our house. They're widening the road in front of our apartments, I should say. Widening the road, putting in sidewalks. And now they're doing, putting in new asphalt, and oh my god. It's a mess. It's funny, they've got these ladies that deal with the traffic, and they're just like constantly yelling. It's really funny. Like, no, you get up, no! It's just like, don't mess with that lady. She's gonna tell you that you can't go that way. I think they're fed up because a lot of the people that are driving in these car things, they don't listen. They don't go the right way. So, but yeah, what's going on today? In about a half an hour, I'll take my son out to the bus, then I'll come back and then throw my daughter in the stroller, and we're gonna go on a big walk and then get back, and then I'll get him off the bus, and then I'll have a teacher conference for him over Zoom. I wanted to go in for it, but it's just impossible because I'm gonna have her, which is fine, but he's gonna be getting home at a time that, yeah, I guess I could have scheduled them at different times, but I don't think it was feasible because the time I would be able to do it, he would be in school. And I don't think that's a time when they can do conferences because they're teaching. So, yeah, it'll work out. And I guess I'm gonna have to get this ready. I got a package coming. I got to do an unboxing video, maybe 2. There might be another Zen Pop box that arrives today. So yeah, it's jam-packed, it's busy, it's crazy. Got to keep monitoring how those pumpkin spice noodles are doing on eBay. I got a crap load of them, like a crap load. And right now they're going for about 40 bucks for a six-pack box of them, but they're still available. Last weekend I went out and got a whole bunch, so I've got like a stockpile of them. I'm waiting for them not to be available anymore and for the Christmas thing to start happening. And, you know, we'll see. But, I mean, they're 88 cents a piece at Walmart. And if you sell them on eBay with free shipping for like 13 bucks, you're maybe getting 88 cents out of that. So I'm going to hope that they go up to about 30 bucks each. If not, I've got a lot of them. One thing that's true too is that they're good until October 22nd of next year. They've got a long shelf life, so we'll see. We shall see. Who knows? It's February for you. I may have sold them all at $1,000 each and maybe living in Bora Bora right now. I don't think so. I've never been there either. I know nothing about Bora Bora. Draining the Aburasoba, Bora Bora. Adding it back into the pot. That's weird. Okay. And we're gonna add the special sauce. Yeah, now it's 8:30. Cool. What's going on out there? Is everything well? What? Everything's well? Turn it down, turn it off. No, 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 no. I'll be there in a minute. Eat your bananas. Okay, go hang out. I'll be there in a few minutes. I'm almost done. All right, let's stir this sucker up. Bananas. I made a chocolate pie with Mimi yesterday. That was kind of fun. With pudding. What's the deal? They had chocolate, pudding, and pie filling. And I wanted the stuff that you cook. And I couldn't find it. And it didn't have instructions on the box on how to cook it, which is really weird. Whenever my mom would make a pie with a pre-made pie crust, she would always cook it. Whenever we had pudding, she would always cook it. And it was like, it had a skin on top, and the skin, oh, I love that. Let's try this Aburasoba with my face involved. Cheers. It's spicy, level 5. I mean, you look at this label and you're thinking like, spicy, 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 spicy. But then if you think about it, if it's level 5 out of 10, it's like, yeah, it's a medium spicy. That's what I'm kind of getting. All right, maybe the mayo that comes with it is super spicy. I just don't know. The little bits are weird. Little kibble. Oh, so yesterday I got my buddy Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas, tells me, hey, I got the notification in Windows. I can install Windows 11, right? I'm like, ooh, you're gonna do it? That's cool. So he does it. He likes it. His only complaint is the start menu. I'm like, okay, I'll give it a try. And I was in the same boat. The taskbar is horrible. It's a train wreck. A lot of stuff that was enjoyable before is just plain gone. So I did some looking around, and there's an app you can use that'll basically, I think it's more of an overlay. I really don't know. It doesn't slow down my machine to use it, at least not noticeably. But it's possible to still have Windows 10 style junk going on in your Windows 11 experience. Just cutting an egg. I know, but I gotta use these, so I'm gonna use them. Okay, let me wash my hair real quick. Just a moment. Ah, yeah, better. Oh my. And then we need the mayonnaise. Oh, we'll do the spring onion. Oh, now I'm eating up time, aren't I? It does not creep on in its petty pace. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. God, how bleak, dude. Billy, lighten up. I hate that pompous shit. Anyway. It's like, let's make it all pithy. People will like it. They'll go, oh, wow, that's something. And they did. And they do. It's an experience you'll never forget. Okay, here comes our mayo squirtissimo. Oh, that's a waste. Let's give it a try. It tastes like honey mustard. Definitely Japanese mayo, that's for sure. Could use a little extra spiciness, so I'm gonna add some shichimi on top. Just a dash there. Maybe a little sprinkle of seeds too. That's about it. Yeah. Okay, Rotato. Do your stuff. been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. You can catch the show every day, generally at 2 p.m. Pacific time. That's just north of Seattle time, same as LA time, same as Vancouver, Canada time. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Have a good one. Bye.